Okay, so I went to my box to get some other stuff that was being shipped to me, and I had a ThredUp box there, but I didn't have any tracking for this. So I think this box is actually a rescue box I ordered almost a month ago. It was the same day I ordered the 2 men's boxes, which came and went a week or 2 ago. So anyways, I didn't get any tracking for this. I think just based off of weight that's what it is. I do have another ThredUp box coming next week for the stuff that I picked that was unbranded, but that tracking is showing next week still. So we'll see. I'll obviously put in the title the correct whatever this is, but it's a little bit heavier than the last box I got. So I'm assuming I think this was the mixed clothing women's box, and yeah. Okay, so we've got the tissue. Oh, already I'm okay with this. Okay, so folded very neatly. Is this, how many items? 1, 2. Is this really 25 items? Okay, so the very first thing folded very neatly was this J. Crew with clearly some sort of buttons, a size 12. It's what appears to be like a single button kind of career blazer. So that is a-okay by me, just because, yeah, I don't know if there's another tag, but it's a great career piece, especially if people are going to be doing interviews. It's a great size. So I definitely am happy about that. All right, next up is a little flannel. This is, and I think it was mixed sizes. This is size medium. It's Forever 21. So definitely not something I would normally pick up, but I'm sure I could get a few dollars back. I want to say this was $60 for 25 items. So whatever that breaks down to, a little over $2 per piece. So if something like this, I'll probably, only get a few dollars for, I'll probably only list it on eBay, because the fees are better when you're when you're selling something for less than $15. But yeah. All right. This is another brand I do not pick up. It is a Faded Glory extra large. So they sell this at, I think, Walmart or one of those. It's just looks like a maxi dress, a black maxi dress. I'll probably actually just keep this for myself. I don't have a black maxi dress, and this is just kind of a subtle stripe, and summer's coming, so that's fine. All right, this is a brand I have tried to sell a couple times, and the good thing is it's a 1X. It is sold at Nordstrom. I purchased it for my own personal closet at Nordstrom Rack, something like that. This is a great staple piece, and it's a good size. So it's not gonna get much, but I do like the style, so maybe I'll just keep that as well. Do I need this stuff? No. But I have been looking for a striped shirt. So if it's a little oversized, that's kind of how I like my t-shirts anyways. So, all right, this is definitely not going to be worth much. So this just says extra large polyester rayon, and it's just a tank top. Oh, there is a material tag. It does have an RN number, but I'm guessing it's not going to be worth anything. It's just a kind of a nude. It's a little bit shorter. I might just keep this to wear under things, a little camisole, just because I wear a lot of tank tops under things. So, okay, another new with tags. This is Royce brand, and it's new with tags. It says Kentucky. Interesting. They must do like different state stuff. So that's the tag. This is a size large. I will try and sell this because I have no use for a Kentucky tee, but it is kind of cute. So hopefully I can get a few dollars for that. All right. If not, maybe I will keep it. I don't know. I've got a lot of t-shirts. I don't need any more t-shirts. Okay, this, I feel like I've seen this before, but I don't know where they sell it. It's just kind of a lightweight tee or tank top, racer back. It's size medium. It's a nice color scheme, but it's SO. I feel like this is pretty cheap. I've never tried to sell it, so I might not be able to get much for it, but If anything, I could always give that to a friend. Okay, Moa. I'm not sure. It's just a kind of cinched waist, 3/4 length sleeve. It's got the ties on the sleeve, and the brand is Moa. No idea. And again, I mean, this is a true mystery box. You know, with all of this stuff, it's always a risk. Like, some of the stuff could be damaged, not sellable. So far, everything looks sellable. These feel really, really cheap. They are some black shorts, but they just have one of those tags that just says 3XL. I don't feel like this looks like a 3XL, so this might be one of those kind of cheap online brands through Amazon or Shein, however you pronounce that one. So that one probably isn't sellable because there's no brand. Okay, Eddie Bauer. I have sold Eddie Bauer quite a few times. It's not going to get much money, but this is a great little basic. And it's a size large, which is good. So I should be able to get a little something for that. So far, the only like really good thing is the J. Crew new tags. Yeah, so it's not looking promising with this box. I didn't really have that big of expectations for women's stuff because, you know, the men's stuff, they don't sell men's, whereas they do sell women's, so they're actually filtering out the good stuff. But I feel like this is a teeny bopper or it's a girl's store in the mall. I feel like, because I've gone in with one of my nieces. Isn't that, maybe it's not, I don't know. Anyways, little shorts. I don't think I'll be able to get much for those, so. All right, hopefully there's a few more things in here. Okay, so this is Liz Claiborne. It's got the built-in bra, just a white cami. I probably won't get much for this, so I might just keep it because I do wear, like I said, camis under things, so, and it is a size large. All right, this is Anna, another brand I just don't pick up. I feel like this is JCPenney's or a new approach. I feel like I've seen it a long time ago at Penny's, but it's a nice little flannel. It is a size extra small. So if I can get a few dollars for it, make my money back, just keep listing, which is part of why I'm buying this kind of stuff, is just to keep listing. Okay, this is Ann Taylor Loft, size extra small. It's a nice springtime tee. It looks fairly short though, but I should be able to get a few dollars for that. Okay, this feels very cheap. Oh, okay. It's Urban Outfitters. It's Sparkle and Fade. Feels like a vegan or a faux leather mini skirt. The Sparkle and Fade, it's a size 2. So pretty tiny. Yeah, I mean, a few dollars again. So far, I'll definitely be able to make my money back. At best, I might be able to, you know, I mean, I'm not all the way through, but yeah, it's not looking good so far. Okay, Gap. I like picking up Gap occasionally if it's really cheap. And this is just a really nice piece. It's a size extra small, but at least it's kind of a nice lightweight flannel or plaid shirt for springtime, just kind of colorful. So I'm okay with that. I should be able to get a little something for that. All right, this is a brand I have seen quite a bit. I don't know where they sell it, but they do have some cute styles. This is just a nice little 3/4 length sleeve, blouse, really pretty colors. If this were my size, I would keep it just because I do like the color scheme, but it's an extra small. So Collective Concepts, it's cute and it will photograph well, so. Okay, so this is LuLaRoe. I have not seen LuLaRoe in quite some time, so I don't know if they've just kind of, I mean, I know they're out of business, right? But it's just one of their skirts. I don't know much about LuLaRoe, but I'm sure that I can find a name, just a maxi skirt. So I might be able to get a few dollars for that, but that is a fairly saturated brand. So, all right, so this is Philosophy, just a blue, stretchy kind of pencil skirt. It's got a little gold zipper accent on the back. And this is a size 8. At least it's a cute color. I think I've tried to sell that brand a couple times, but I don't pick it up these days. Okay, so this is Massimo. These are size medium, pair of shorts, really cute print. but I definitely won't get much. So I might see if one of my friends wants these because they're cute, lightweight, good for summer. All right, I have picked up this brand and I tried to sell it and it's got very mixed comps. I want to say that when I first picked, or the only time I picked it up was very early in my reselling journey, and I thought the tag was very unusual. And when I looked it up, a lot of people were saying it was Anthropology, but then it took forever to sell, whatever the piece was. And after I had, Ioana Barashi, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. The RN number isn't Anthro. And I feel like when I looked it up again, it was like those were incorrect statements. I think the style maybe has kind of an Anthro style, but it's definitely a cute top and I should be able to get a little something for it. But I don't know where they sell this and I haven't found it since then. So size small, really adorable print, but yeah. Okay, a couple more things. This may have been a mistake, but you know, it's just kind of fun for videos to have. Okay, another new tag. It's J. Crew Factory though. So this is a little navy blue elastic waist skirt. It's got some pockets. It is a size 4 and the dots indicate that it's factory. So I should be able to get a couple dollars for that. And okay, 3 more things. So this is a Nike tee. Kind of funny that it's got the tiger. Oh, it's an NFL team apparel. Is this Tigers? Panthers? Is that Panthers? I feel like I've seen that blue, so I'll have to look that up. But size medium, long sleeve, seems to be in really good condition, so I should be able to get a few dollars for that. This is an Express size 2 skirt. Just a classic kind of pencil skirt, a little bit of accents on the side. It does appear that this has some loose strings. Oh, it's the little clasp on the top is broken on one side, but I should still be able to get a couple dollars for that. Okay, last item. What? Okay. Not feeling confident about this. It's Chi Boys is what it says. If you can see right there. What is this graphic? It does have a signature Saint Jane right there. I mean, it's kind of a nice subtle graphic tee, but I don't think this is anything. So yeah. All right, so empty box. Let's count how many items. So I'll just do different piles for sellable or what I plan to sell. I mean, I'll list pretty much everything here on eBay at least. Maybe a couple of these things on Poshmark that might go for more than $15. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so exactly 25 items. Yeah, I mean, this blazer, because it's size 12, it's got some tags on it. It's a nice single button career piece. I should be able to get, you know, probably $30 for 30, yeah, about $30 to $40, my guess, which when you remove the fees is probably, you know, a little less than half the box. This dress, you know, I don't have a black maxi. I wouldn't probably try and sell Faded Glory. This is a 1X, which is really great, and I really like the style, but I might try that on myself because I've been looking for a striped tee just for jeans and stuff like that. Some of these camis aren't going to be worth anything. I don't know this brand, but Kentucky, I think it's adorable. It's a size large at least, and it's new with tags, so I should be able to sell that. This, so I feel like, I can't remember, it stands for something, but I feel like it's a pretty cheap brand. So I think I'm going to see if one of my friends wants that. This Moa, I don't think this is anything, so I might see if my friend wants that as well. This doesn't even have a brand and it feels very cheap, so I'll probably redonate that. This Forever 21, might see if my friend wants that. And this little loft is a cute little spring piece, so I'll try and sell that. This, what was this one? A new approach. It was a size extra small. I'll probably see if my friend wants that. Oh, it's got, oh no, that's the design. I thought it was like damaged. No, that's just the design. And if she doesn't want them, I'll still list them. This Gap is adorable. I'll definitely list that. This Eddie Bauer, I won't get much, but it is a nice spring kind of, it's a good hiking tank top. So I'll list that. I probably won't list this because it just feels a little raggedy, and I feel like this is a young preteen store, but yeah, it just has a lot of strings all over it. It just doesn't seem like it's in good condition. The waistband is kind of stretched out, so I'll probably just donate that. I'm probably gonna keep this just because it's a nice white camisole, and I could always use another one of those. This is adorable. I just like the print, so I'll sell that. This LuLaRoe, I don't know if they're still selling. It's a nice, fun spring print. It's a size extra small though, so I'll try and sell it and get a few dollars. This, I'll see if my friend, it's the Massimo, see if she wants them just because they're a great summer piece. See, this also has a lot of strings and just feels a little bit raggedy. It is Urban Outfitters, but I guess I could try and trim off the strings, and if there's no major issues with the faux leather, then I can list that. This, I really like this print. It's the Joanna one, so I'll list that. And this little new with tags, navy blue skirt, kind of just a classic, easy to wear summer skirt, and it's new. Even though it's factory, I should still be able to get something. This Panthers, I think is Panthers. I will list that. This Express, yeah, I mean, I won't get much for it, but I'll list it. And then I don't know what this Chi Boys is, but I'll look it up at least. And then this Philosophy is, you know, nice blue color. So, I mean, probably, I mean, if my friend doesn't want any of that stuff, I'll list it. It's just, you know I won't get much. A few things for me and only 2 things that I already kind of know I won't list. But would I get this box again? Absolutely not. Maybe some people have had luck with the women's. I think I have seen a long time ago some people who have done this mixed clothing, mixed sizes, and they've had some decent luck getting like a gem or 2. But I think the men's boxes for me I've had better success with. I've already made my money back on the recent men's boxes by selling a few of the items out of each. So, I mean, the only plus side is when you get the women's, you can maybe keep something for yourself, which is nice, but I don't really need clothing, and that's not the point. So I've got some stuff to list. It's fun to open them. So hit the thumbs up if you like this video. I don't have any more ordered boxes, so there will probably be a couple more ThredUp videos for the experiment that I did. But other than that, yeah, I guess it just depends on how long this all lasts, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.